Hello everyone, today we're comparing the two most popular water filtration systems. The Brita Jug and the faucet filters by Tapp Water. Let's find out which product is best for you.
First off, setup and use. The Brita Jug is super easy to use, working straight out of the box. On the other hand, EcoPro takes less than a minute to install without any tools. Brita Jug wins the round, but EcoPro isn't far behind. Next up, water taste. We conducted a blind test of EcoPro, Brita, bottled water and tap water in Barcelona with over 100 people. The result was that bottled water and EcoPro by Tapp Water tied for first in taste, Brita Jug second and Tapp Water last. So for taste, EcoPro is the clear winner. When it comes to filtration efficiency, EcoPro takes the lead. Its 5-stage filter handles over 100 unwanted substances, while Brita Maxtra only specifies chlorine, lime scale, and reduces lead and copper. EcoPro wins this category. Looking at water flow, EcoPro fills a 1-liter jar in just 15 seconds, while Brita takes almost 2 minutes. EcoPro wins hands down. In terms of filter capacity, EcoPro provides over 4,800 liters per year with its yearly subscription, whereas Brita Maxtra offers 1,200 liters if you replace the refills every month as instructed. EcoPro wins in this category with 4 times more clean, tasty drinking water. How does the annual cost of Brita and Tapp Water compare? EcoPro costs 87.90 cents for the first year and 54 euros per year for cartridges, while Brita costs about 99 euros for the first year and 70 euros per year afterwards. So EcoPro offers a lower annual cost with 4 times as much water filtered.
Sustainability is important. Both Brita and Tapp Water are much better options than buying bottled water. EcoPro wins in this category thanks to the fact that it uses less plastic wrapping and therefore has a lower carbon footprint. But kudos to Brita for their recycling programs. In conclusion, the overall winners in this test are EcoPro and EcoPro Compact, winning in 5 out of 7 categories and tying in 1. The Brita Jug only wins in the simplicity category because yes, it's simple. So if you want the best water filtration system for taste, water filtration, capacity, flow, sustainability and overall value for money, then try out EcoPro or EcoPro Compact by Tapp Water. Stay healthy, stay hydrated.